Alright everybody, want to make a really quick video. Obviously, now I've got multiple printers in here. It's actually for a smart outlet. So this is the brand name, it's on Amazon. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but let me show you how simple this is. So I've actually got it plugged in back here. So this is outdoor rated as well, so you can get it for your outdoor lighting or whatever you might need it for. I've got this plugged in, connected to Wi-Fi. It's controlled through my phone, so I can control anywhere I have a Wi-Fi signal. And what's cool about this is both of these outlets are actually independently controlled. And you can control them from here as well. So you can just, click one button and that'll fire up this guy. Click the other button and it will fire up my mammoth Chiron over here. But what makes it worth having is the fact that I can go into my phone and the Smart Life app. So on this app you can actually control a bunch of different things with this. There's smart light bulbs and all that kind of stuff. Pretty much all the overseas stuff you find on Amazon that's labeled as smart, a lot of this will be controlled by this one app. So let's do this so that you can see. If I need to shut this off remotely, I sure can. And I can go back over here, and same thing with the JG Aurora. I can shut that off, and that'll shut off that printer as well. So obviously, combine that with any kind of a Wi-Fi, just any kind of a Wi-Fi camera, and you can turn your printer off as needed. Just kind of like a poor man's version of controlling it for long prints in case you run into any kind of issues with your prints or anything like that. But that's really all the space that it takes, and it's a great little gadget. I think it was under 20 bucks. So pair that with a $15-20 camera, and there you go. So that's all there is. I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick. Please do like, share. There will be a link as well in the comments or the description of this video, so that you can buy your own little smart outlet. Thanks for watching.